My buddy 805 Road King found me this Stanley Defiance $12.99 cast iron utility knife at Jacktown, and I thought it would be a great candidate for a patriotic 4th of July makeover. I think I got some blades with it too. Looks like quite a few blades actually. They're all kind of mushed together. Maybe 4 or 5 blades. Well, that's a good bonus. I really dig this octopus suction cup hole design. I think it looks really sharp. The downside to it is it lets a lot of moisture in. What is the date of the signing of the Declaration of Independence? The Second Continental Congress approved the final wording of the Declaration of Independence in the evening of July 4th, 1776. It took some time for the official declaration to be written on parchment in preparation for signing. Most historians agree that nearly all the delegates signed the Declaration of Independence on August 2nd, 1776. I got the worst of the rust off. I think before I soak these in Evaporust, I want to see about getting rid of some of that remaining red paint. I'm going to use this Safe Erase paint remover. I like it because it's low odor. The trick to using this stuff is you have to let it work for an hour. All right, see you in an hour. Who was the first person to sign the Declaration of Independence? John Hancock, the President of the Continental Congress. All right, it's been about an hour. Let's see how this stuff worked out. I find that red is one of the toughest colors to get off. I'm going to rinse these off in water. A little bit of the red got left behind in between the letters. Hopefully I can just pick that out. Tell you what, this red paint is some stubborn stuff. All right, I think they're ready for the magic juice. Did George Washington sign the Declaration of Independence? The Second Continental Congress elected Washington as Commander-in-Chief of the Continental Army on June 15, 1775. He took command of the Revolutionary forces in Massachusetts on July 3, 1775. George Washington was with his troops a year later when on July 4, 1776, the Declaration of Independence was agreed upon. He did not vote for or sign the Declaration of Independence. All right, here's the two halves after an overnight soak in evaporous. I rinsed them with water, and then I've coated them with WD-40 just to keep them from flash rusting. The evaporous did a nice job getting inside the casting. Road King picked me out a nice one of these. Casting is very crisp. The details are really well defined. The only spot I could find that was a defect, looks like it's chipped on the end there. Looks like it might also be chipped there. I think I'm going to take some JB Weld and try to fill those two spots in. So I got some JB Weld globbed on. Now I just gotta file and sand it back. And here it is sanded down. I think it looks better. Now it's time for primer. Why do we celebrate Independence Day with fireworks? In 1776, John Adams proclaimed that passage of the Declaration of Independence should be celebrated each year from one end of the continent to the other with fireworks from this time forward forevermore. Okay, here's what the Stanley Defiance $12.99 utility knife looked like when Road King gave it to me. And here it is now. I primed the metal with Rust-Oleum's 2X Ultra Cover Primer and painted it with Tester's enamel. I think it's ready for the 4th of July. This was a fun project. Thanks to 805 Road King for picking it up for me at Jacktown. Make sure you check out Road King's channel. He's always working on something interesting. I hope you enjoyed the video. Happy Independence Day!